What happens when America's most iconic sports car keeps pushing the limits? You get the 2026 Chevrolet Corvette C8, a mid-engine masterpiece that blends raw performance, cutting-edge tech, and exotic car looks at a price that still undercuts the competition. Welcome back to Next Gen Reviews, where we break down the latest rides so you know exactly what's worth your time and money. Design. From the outside, the 2026 C8 stays true to the exotic-inspired design of its predecessors but adds sharper aerodynamics and new lighting signatures. The sculpted body lines channel airflow for both cooling and downforce, while the low stance and wide track give it a race-ready presence. Inside, it's just as dramatic, a driver-focused cockpit with premium materials, updated color options, and a digital layout that feels more supercar than traditional muscle. Performance. Under the rear hatch, the 6.2-liter LT2 V8 continues to deliver heart-pounding performance, now tuned for improved responsiveness and efficiency. With over 500 horsepower on tap, the C8 rockets from 0 to 60 in just over 3 seconds. For those craving even more, the available Z51 performance package adds upgraded brakes, suspension, and an active exhaust that makes the car sing on every downshift. Chevy has also refined the dual-clutch transmission, making shifts smoother and faster whether you're cruising or pushing hard. Features and technology. The 2026 C8 comes loaded with an updated infotainment system, now with faster processing, wireless updates, and expanded connectivity. The digital gauge cluster is fully customizable, while driver assist features like adaptive cruise, blind spot monitoring, and parking aids make everyday driving less stressful. And of course, performance data can be tracked with Chevy's built-in performance data recorder, perfect for analyzing your lap times or just showing off. Conclusion. The 2026 Chevrolet Corvette C8 isn't just a sports car, it's a statement. With world-class performance, head-turning design, and technology that makes it as livable as it is thrilling, the C8 proves once again that the Corvette can stand toe-to-toe with Europe's best. If you enjoyed this review, hit that like button, share it with your fellow car enthusiasts, and subscribe to Next Gen Reviews for more in-depth looks at the latest machines. And let us know in the comments, would you take the C8 over a Porsche 911 or even a McLaren, or do you think the Corvette still has something to prove?